It's been a month of mowing nearly every day. It's time to do a bit of maintenance to Terra the TerraMow. She has mowed during heat waves, on hills, flat ground, and even during a tropical storm just to see if she could. Let's see what her chassis looks like underneath. The first step is turn off the mower. Wow, this is very clean for the work that she has been doing. These blades have a lot more life on them, probably 50%, but we just wanted to change them out so that you could see that process. Notice that the blades are stuck in the outward, cutting position. It has been operating very well in this position, however, they are designed to pivot on what is called an offset mount. You should really lay the unit carefully on its back, but that wouldn't work for recording this video, so we'll show you a more challenging method. More on that later. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of gloves to protect your hands from the razor-sharp blades. Make sure that you have the correct size and shape Phillips head so that you don't strip the screws, because it does take a bit of torque to break the screws free, at first. If you look carefully as I clean around the threaded mount, you can see how it protrudes from the blade disc. You want to make sure that the new blades slide over this prior to tightening down with the screw. This will allow the blades to pivot.
Where silence reigns, TerraMow glides on the lawn. Precision cut, edge so fine, every lawn looks like a dream divine. Simple setup, easy to use, a modern marvel you can't refuse. Watch it dance along the line, no worries, no
Some
fuss,
robotic
just
mowers have the offset which allows the blades to pivot, built into the screw. The TerraMow has the offset built into the blade disc. Each threaded mount protrudes outward from the bottom of the disc. If you watch carefully, you will see me make sure that the hole in the blade clicks over the offset before I complete tightening it. You do not want to pinch the blade, you want it to be able to swing freely.
Particle detection, a guardian's eye. Safe for kids playing nearby. Little critters on the grass. TerraMow lets them safely pass. With every turn it learns the way.
Rub-a-dub-dub, thanks for the scrub.
Seamless work from day to night. TerraMow keeps your garden just right. TerraMow, the future's here. Quietly hum and cut in clear. With a Kickstarter success so bright. First delivery.
It's time for a well-deserved shower. I'm using my garden hose at about a 40-degree angle and about the same pressure as watering our bushes.
TerraMow, the future in night. The lawnmower you'll adore. In every yard, it finds its place. The perfect lawn, a gentle grace. TerraMow, the future's here. Quietly hum and cut in clear. With a Kickstarter success so bright.
Alternatively, you can flip the blades halfway through the 240 hours of usage. The app has a useful menu that tracks the blade's lifespan. In the home screen, just go to Settings, then Maintenance and Blades. Now it's time to turn it back on.
Join the revolution, feel the flow. With TerraMow, let your garden grow.
This was so much easier than replacing the blades on my garden tractor. Thanks for watching and take care.